This is going to be a really quick fix video. I just wanted to show I got these 6 copies of Age of Empires, the Age of Kings for DS on eBay for a few bucks. They were marked as being a black screen. They said corrupt save file, so I thought maybe I can take a look at that. It turns out if you have a modded 3DS, you can load a custom software on here called SaveTool, and you can actually erase the save file. So let's go ahead and do that quick fix. So I just wanted to show what happens when you put in the cartridge before you fix it. It's just black. It's nothing. Okay, so we're gonna do the process right now. I take this cartridge, I'm gonna put it right in here. You can see Age of Empires, Age of Kings. I'm gonna go over to SaveTool. Give you a few options. It's by Tux SH, the developer. Thank you. And we're gonna hit X to erase the save file. And we're gonna hit up, yes. That's it. So I'm gonna hit start to exit. I'll take this cartridge out and put it back in here and we'll give it a test. So here's the cartridge after the save file's been erased. Here we go. I got enough for my own LAN party. Don't know if this game's any good, but I saw the carts are going for about 10 bucks a piece on eBay, so this was a good deal. Thanks for watching.